Hello, 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 hello. This is Els coming in from Bima's Crafty Corner, and today we're going to be doing this. Not this, because we all know how to do this. And not really this, but a version of this, okay? I will explain. I guess the easiest way is to just show you this. There's no paper there. And there's nothing in here. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make these without having a deep punch, okay? Because if you only have this, you really can't, that would be hard if this is all you have. So, I'm going to show you how to do these, and so you could set that one easily, but this one would be a problem. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and walk you through the steps real quick to make some glue-on document holders. I'll be back with a supply list. Okay, so we're going to look for some scrap pieces of file folder. Now, some people, they like to, put them together and punch them at the same time. For me, that's a little difficult for my hand. So what I do is I just use a single punch. So a punch in the size that you want, some eyelets. If you have taps, you can use taps. So you're going to want your pliers. A pair of scissors are good here. And you're going to want some lengths of cord. This is a 5mm silk cord that I sell in my shop, and I think it works perfect for this. So we're going to get started on doing this. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to punch a couple of circles. I need 4 for each set. Okay, 4. Alright, so the first one's pretty easy. You just take 2 of your circles, put them together, make sure that they're lined up, and then put them in your hole punch. Find center, or what you believe to be center, and then just pop in an eyelet and cramp it down. Okay? Nothing special. Okay? Nothing special on that one. This is the one that's kind of special. Alright? So for this one, again, we're going to put them together, find center, or what we believe to be center, punch a hole, and then we're going to do the next step. Okay. So we're going to put a piece of cord through the first one. Then we're going to cover that with the second one. And then we're going to put the eyelet in. Now this could be a little bit tight because of the string. And then we're going to put this into the tool and crimp this down. And then I'm going to cut this excess string off the back. Okay? So now I have a set. Alright? Here we go. And now all I have to do is take these and glue them onto my envelope anywhere that I want, and I'll be able to use them. Okay? So that's it. It's literally that simple, that easy. That is a set, and all I do is I take my thread, I open these up a little bit, put my thread in the bottom one, and just wrap it around it a couple of times so that they stay together. And then I'll put that in, my make ahead, and I can grab those out if I need them, and they're ready to go. That's it. It's that simple. That simple, easy. Let's take a look at how to do it with the pop rivet real quick. and you know, the tap rivets, and I'll get out some stuff. We'll get that started. I'll be right back. All right, if you're using the taps, you can use the smaller hole on your hole punch. Okay, and then you're going to, just like you did on the first one, you're going to put your thread through the bottom one, put your top piece on, put your tap through, okay, spin it a little so that you know you got it in the right position. Then you're going to turn that over and put your bottom on. Okay, then we're going to whack this. So I'm going to whack this off camera because it's noisy, and I'll be right back. All right, so that is what it looks like with the tap rivets. Okay, you just have to make sure you get the really small ones so they have a small you want the stem to be very small. Okay, and there's a little like hole here at the end, and what happens is when you put these two pieces together and you hammer it, this spreads out inside of the top, and it creates a nice tight bond. Okay, I had to put these away or I'll lose them. There we go, because they're little. All right, that's it. So with this one, you would just do a second one exactly the same without the string, and then you'd put it together and you'd have a set. All right. If you want to know what's going on in my digital life, check out the community tab. Hey, how about a thumb? That doesn't hurt one way or the other. It doesn't cost anything to like me or, you know, to subscribe. It's free. That's the best part, right? It's free. And let's see what else. Check out the description box below for a bunch of links to a lot of helpful stuff. And until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.